or ask me to ask you if possible we see the issue with the problem with INEC, because the problem we all know that why is our charges here in Lawag is very high compared to other places, especially in Ilocos, Damet Windmill Taytoy. So I would want to refer that to the Committee of Law Cooperative and Public Utility. Can you please schedule the time so that you could meet with them, and hopefully we could put this on agenda next meeting. Also, someone also texted me from Spain concerning a problem in Tangid. If you will indulge me, I will read this message, and I would refer it to Committee on Peace and Order. Tipunanakit, good morning, Manong Kovais. Hope everything is well, Manong ko. Manong, last July 8 at 10:21 p.m., somebody broke into the house of my in-laws in Barangay 45 Tangit, Purok 1. Manong ko, Vice, hope you help us track down the intruder para awan mabiktimanan and to prevent any possible worse things that might happen. Manong ko, baka mabalinda, ma-inform dito kagadwa tayong barangay captains ti Tangit, Benguet, Nalbo nga i-check na DJ CCTV ti barangay ta makita na DJ si Mrek. Tapos inside the pay kanya ito pictures and videos na akaw-kaway pa DJ tao at amo na nga nga awan di DJ maseknan DJ baleta that abroad. Tapos dinabag ko keng kuana no in blatter yung kadyeto yan tikunana awang kano pa'y tao kapulisan nga napan ng investigari, so ang patpatulong kanya no apay nga handang aksyonan dito porque kadi nga ado nga diskusyon. So I would like to refer this to Committee on Peace, because if this is only a first case event, so it's not alarming, but if there's many akyat bahay gangs na, we should be alarmed. So who's the chairman on Peace and Order? Attorney Pereira. I would like to endorse that to you. Also, for all you know, for the information of everyone, the district assignment of Sangguniang Panlalawigan is Honorable Junior Fariñas III in Lawag City. So for your information and guidance, if we have any concern regarding Capitol, we could ask him for help because he is assigned to us. We also have here the executive budget of the city government of Lawag. I would like to ask it to be calendared on second reading on next regular session so that we could see you could see the appropriation for chairman ng committee. I also have here draft resolution 2022-54 asking the mayor to have a MOA with the Divine World College of Lawag. Can I put this to other matters so that we could approve this already? So we have three resolution ordinance. This is resolution ordinance. Three resolution. We ask the secretary, Mr. Secretary, to read all the resolution in the guidance.